Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. Perhaps you may have seen this kind of expressions. In fact, you may have seen this kind of expressions over and over. So instead of just simplifying this expression, I've come up with a slightly different problem right here. It is a bit too well known that n right here, defined as the square root of 2024 times 2025 times 2026 times 2027 plus 1, is an integer. So instead of finding the value of that integer, let us find the remainder when that integer n is divided by 5. Now, the already well-known method is to substitute the smallest number with x, in this case 2024 as x, and do the algebraic simplification. But what makes this problem slightly more interesting compared to usual simplify without calculator problem is that we can solve the problem more efficiently if we think about the problem a little bit instead of automatically substituting the smallest number. You see, in this problem, we have to deal with the remainder of the division by 5. Therefore, instead of letting 2024 as x, it will be more convenient later if we substitute the multiple of 5 as x. So let's substitute 2025 as x. This will make the determination of the remainder easier because now we know that any terms containing x are multiples of 5. So now we do the simplification. Here n can be written as the square root of, now 2024 is x minus 1, so x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 2 plus 1. Here, in order to expand smartly, we group the terms this way. So we multiply x minus 1 and x plus 2, and we multiply x and x plus 1. Then, x minus 1 times x plus 2 gives x squared plus x minus 2, and x times x plus 1 gives x squared plus x. Here we have the common part x squared plus x, and you can substitute this common part with another variable if you want to, for example, y. Then we have square root of y minus 2 times y plus 1. So we have square root of y squared minus 2y plus 1, which is square root of y minus 1 squared. And since y minus 1 is obviously positive, n is simply equal to y minus 1, which is x squared plus x minus 1. So what is the remainder when n is divided by 5? Well, since x is a multiple of 5, we immediately know that x squared plus x is a multiple of 5. This means that we only need to focus on the very last term, minus 1, which indicates that if we divide n with 5, the remainder is 4. As I said, this investigation of the remainder has become much more efficient since we have let the multiple of 5 as x. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another video.